drove around for a few hours and some amazing scenery, as you guys can see. Spotted a couple of black bear cubs, and it looked like a mountain lion or wildcat or something. It's too far for us to be able to tell. Just might have some of that, but we stopped here at the Sloppy Hog burger joint, and they got pizza and all sorts of other stuff. So it looks similar to the one that we saw, just a little bit smaller. I don't care. Outside. Okay, so what does everybody think of this place? Pretty good. Pretty good. Of course, the pizza is really cheesy. If you guys know me, I don't really like cheese, but it does smell really good. You can smell the seasoning on it. I had some chicken tenders. Seth had some chicken tenders. He had some onion rings. I had fries. All really good food. Check this place out. This is actually right next to the Hillbilly restaurant that we did earlier and went to. Yeah, and then of course you can sit outside here and you get this really amazing view out here of the mountain. So, and the owner actually came out and was talking to us a little bit. He noticed the gear that I had here, and he was talking to me about how he's had like 3 other YouTubers come in this area, and how this is actually a flip-flop because of the bad weather today. They have had to push people from the inside out and not from the outside in, because it's a really popular destination for sitting outside by the mountain. So yeah, we're gonna finish up our meal and then head back to the RV and start packing down and get ready to head back and trek back to Alabama. So we'll see you guys later. Okay, so I talked to the owner a little bit more. He introduced me a little bit, and he kind of gave me a plan as far as what they got going on here, which is gonna be really cool. In about 2 weeks, we're down here in June 1st, June 2nd area. So about the 15th or so, he said that he's got some stuff coming in, and they've got it lined out here, and I'll kind of walk the area already. But check it out. They got this whole area that they're going to be fencing off. Goes from here all the way down to that stake there. It's going to come all the way back, and they're going to fence it out. They're going to have like a stage and stuff in the back, and then they're going to have like a little food vendor area over here as well. And I think that's going to be really cool. You know, he's talked about how popular this is and how it's been growing really big. This is right outside of Pigeon Forge. It's actually in the Ware Valley area we're in. So super cool area, super nice people, very accommodating. Definitely want to hit this place up. So if you guys hit this up in about 2 weeks, tag some photos down below. I want to see it. We're going to be back probably sometime next year or so, because we're in the process of planning, trying to do some sort of event for all of our Patreon subscribers. So once we do that, we want to try to get them set up for that. Now, if you guys want to jump on that, you do have to be a member 30 days in advance before you guys can even sign up for an event like that. So I got some more details coming on, but if you guys are not a Patreon member, go down below, hit the Patreon, join. We got packages starting at like $1 or $3 or something like that, and Jessica set it up, so I'd have to kind of go back to her. But we get some exclusive stuff like this trip here. We're gonna have the Rev mappings on there as far as where we went on the bike, as well as RV stuff. So it's not just RV, and it's just not motorcycle, it's RV as well too. Sorry. But yeah, super cool area. Now I hope you guys like this video. It's been really nice to kind of get out, and like I said, look at that view. It has been awesome to be able to drive around. We drove around today because it's been storming and kind of yucky. I didn't want to take the bike out, but that's awesome. I will definitely be back. This is definitely a good area. So as we start exploring some of these things, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys share it, and if you guys are liking the content, thumbs up. Plus we got the Patreon account, we got some other stuff that we're going to be putting in there, and you guys will see some of that stuff as of nice Sunday. So you'll probably see that probably next week, that we'll have that stuff posted to the Patreon account, and we'll put together some event stuff as that happens. We're gonna start planning that for about a year in advance, and then it'll be a limited slots. We can't accommodate for everybody for it, but we can get the first I think 15-20 people is what we were looking for doing. And we're gonna be hitting up the Tail of Dragon, some other stuff here, for sort of some writing and getting to know each other, meet and greet and all that kind of stuff. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.